Hello guys, and welcome to G-Man C++ tutorials. Today I will be going over a simple Hello World project and will showing you the basic functions of C++. Okay, so this is what I will be doing. Right here, this is our main function. Without the main function, your program will not run. So this is essential for every C++ program you run. Okay, so this is just the type of function it is. It has to be an integer function. This main function will always be in your program. So most IDEs already make an automatic one. I know CodeBlocks does. So anyway, so you have int main, those little parentheses, and then the curly brace, and then within the curly brace you write all your code out. Okay, so first line, that's code in the function. So cout hello world endl. Okay, so this basically means to output to the computer or user hello world. Then after you're done with that, end the line. Okay. Now, the semicolon has to be used after every statement or command. At least most of them anyway. This is a library, pretty much a linker. We'll go over that at another time. But for now, most commands use the semicolon after them, because without the semicolon you will not be able to run your program. You'll get an error when you try to run it, because C++ needs to know when the end of your command is, and semicolon basically tells us that. Okay, this right here is a line comment, and so line comments just print out output text. You know what, I'm gonna rephrase that. Okay, line comments, they do not affect your program at all. They are just here for programmers or other people who are going to edit your code to see it and understand your idea in the first place. So if somebody else was going to edit your code or whatever you programmed, it will be useful to have comments in your code so that other people can easily pick it up. Let's say you're not there, then they can easily pick up the code and the program and be able to edit it in the ways that they would like or desire. Okay, so next line, same thing. This time we're just outputting C++ rocks. I forgot to talk about the end line, the less than signs, but basically this point to the last thing called, so it's like a line, like first output what's coming up next, and we want to output this, and then after that end line and statement over. So basically this point to, it's like a line going backwards in a sense. Okay, so this is what our program is going to output: hello world, end line, C++ rocks, and then it's going to end line, and we just have this simple, we're going to have nothing outputted on the next line. So it's just going to be like that, nothing's going to be out there. Okay, now we go on to block comments. So, okay, a block comment is a comment that is not just one line. So in a block comment, unlike the line comment, you can use as many lines as you want, as long as it is within a slash, asterisk, asterisk. And same for this, it's just two asterisks for the bottom and then a slash. So basically it's backwards. So you have your opening, slash, two asterisks, and then closing, two asterisks and a slash. Now whatever you put inside of here is a comment. As I said, comments are used only for other developers or for your benefit in the code. Okay, now we go down to finally return 0. Return 0 says, okay, run this function, and if there's no errors, no, disregard this, anything. When we're done and there's no errors, yeah. So when we're done, no errors, and when the program's done running, we just want to return nothing. So that means we want to do nothing when we're done with this program. We just want to close out the program and we're done. So I'm done explaining this. So let's run the program. Okay, so let's build and run this program. See what it does. And as you can see, it does exactly what I said it would do. So we have output to the screen, hello world, and then end line, so we go here, and then output C++ rocks, and then end line, so we go here. And then, as I said in the little comment example, there will be nothing outputted on this line, and then return 0, which will make the program just do its output thing. This stuff doesn't matter. So basically, we're done with this tutorial. So now, for the beginning, I wrote the program in Notepad++, right here. This is Notepad++. You can get it from the links I put in the description. And this is CodeBlocks. This is the IDE I'm using to run my programs. You can also get this in the description. So I will put the instructions to download the stuff in the description. If you want to go on, it's codeblocks.org, and download section, make sure you click the Ming G32 one for your system. I will be doing a tutorial on this. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Wait, I would like to tell you guys what I am thinking about doing for these tutorials. Right now, for the C++ tutorial series, I will be going over the basics of C++ and maybe get into the more advanced stuff. Now, after we're done with our C++ tutorials, I would like to go into graphics and 3D rendering and that kind of stuff. So, SDL and OpenGL and that kind of stuff. So after we're done with the C++ tutorials, I will move on to something more complex. Now, bear in mind this is my first video I'm posting to YouTube, even though I used YouTube for a while, but I finally got a screen recorder, so please don't negative comments, people. Thank you. And any questions you have, just put them in the comment section so I can reply. And if you guys have any things that you want me to do for these tutorial series, like you want to have any suggestions, anything you want to learn, C++ related, or SDL or OpenGL maybe. I know most of the SDL stuff. No, sort of. Well, anyway, so mostly C++ related topics for this series. So if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And all the links for the websites to download CodeBlocks and Notepad will be in the description. I will also make a video for downloading CodeBlocks and Notepad, and so basically installing CodeBlocks and C++ into your system. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Have a good day.